Y'all, this bird is outside of my window in the tree. I noticed that yesterday she came. Well, I didn't know it was a she at the time. I saw a bird fly on this branch. And today I see her sitting here. And then I saw another bird come up. And I was like, wait a minute. They must be making a nest. And sure enough, they are making a nest. So welcome to Odyssey's Truth Nest Edition. She is making it now. He's gonna come back. He's been bringing all sorts of things for the nest. He is hard. He is working hard. He is hard at work. Hard at work. Let me tell you, this bird, the male bird she has, is not playing around. And he looks like a strong, agile bird, because to get in here, see how close he is to the window. They're pretty close to this window. So I have a awesome view. I'm going to be coming on every day and video taping for you guys. This is day 1 of our Mourning Dove Nest Edition. Mourning Dove Nest. And wow, they really are building it up pretty good. I'm waiting for him to come back so you guys can see how he brings her things. He's very diligent, and he brings it and she gets it and she arranges it, and then he flies away. As soon as he sees that she got the twig, he leaves, and he's back and forth, he is working hard. It made me think, wow, she's taking care of the home while he goes out and gets the supplies, because she's preparing to lay her eggs. She's going to be laying her eggs soon. But when I tell you it's amazing. I just love seeing him come back and forth, bringing her the materials. Mostly I've seen twigs. I think he brought some leaves one time. She plucked some leaves off of the tree there. Oh, here he comes, here he comes. See him? He's right there. He's right there. I didn't see him with anything this time in his mouth. He didn't bring anything. He's gonna go back for more. So I don't even need TV. I don't need to watch. I'm gonna literally watch them all night, all evening. And tomorrow, it's like I have to watch it. I have to see what they're doing. See, she's getting a twig. If you've ever seen a bird's nest before, it is very intricate. The way they intertwine the twigs, the leaves, you'll see feathers, you'll see fur, you'll see hair, all kind of material inside of the nest. Let me know if you want more of these videos with me talking or not talking. I guess you could always put it on mute, right? Do you want music as you watch? Or do you want me to talk you through what I've seen? Because this is going to be amazing. I'm going to do this all the way up until she lays the eggs and they hatch. So stay tuned. I'm going to see if I can get him coming back or not. He comes back pretty frequent. So I'll cut it back on when he comes back. He's back. Got him bringing the twig and gave it to her. You see that? He is working really hard. He's finding so many twigs. A lot of sticks, a lot of twigs. Like, I'm not going to be able to record this all evening. He is really on it. Sorry, I'm trying to zoom in. He's really on it. And she's just placing it where it needs to go. I don't know how long they've been doing this. I don't know if they were doing this yesterday. I noticed them yesterday. Maybe they started yesterday. See, she's gonna move it with her butt. She steps in it and she lays in it. I guess she wants it, a certain shape. So she uses her body. This is a mourning dove. Here he comes. Couldn't see what he brought this time. Brought something. Look how quick he comes and goes. You see that? He's beautiful, isn't he? He comes and he goes. He comes and he goes very quickly. He don't waste no time. He does not waste any time. And she's hard at work. Look, he's doing his part. She's doing her part. She said, you bring me the supplies, I'll make the house, I'll make the home. And that's what he's doing. If you hear some men say they just want to work and bring home the money and let the wife do this stuff. So he go out, make the money, bring the money back. And she, oh wow, look at that one. You go get the money. Bring home the food. Not the food, but to bring home the money. She makes everything else with the household. She puts it all together. So there we go. Stay tuned.